Imagine a flower so vibrant it outshines the sun itself. This is the California poppy, the state flower of California, and a symbol of the Golden State's natural beauty. The California poppy, or Eschscholzia californica, as it's known in scientific circles, paints the Californian landscape with a fiery orange hue, its petals unfurling in the warm embrace of the sun. It's a sight that's as breathtaking as it is unique. This golden gem has a history as rich as its color. Native to the west coast of the United States, the California poppy has been adorning the state's hills and valleys for thousands of years. It was officially adopted as the state flower in the early 20th century, a testament to its enduring charm and significance. Its vibrant color and unique shape make it a standout among other flowers, an embodiment of California's wild, natural beauty. This golden beauty is more than just a pretty face. Let's delve deeper to discover the many uses of the California poppy. The California poppy is not just a sight for sore eyes, it also boasts a myriad of uses that might surprise you. Let's start with its medicinal properties. For centuries, native Californians have used this golden beauty as a calming agent. It's a natural sedative that can help with insomnia, anxiety, and even nerve pain. It's also been used to treat a variety of physical ailments, including toothaches and headaches. The California poppy contains several alkaloids, including protopine and allocryptopine, which have been shown to have mild sedative and analgesic effects. So next time you're having trouble sleeping, you might want to consider brewing a cup of California poppy tea. But the benefits of this plant don't stop there. The California poppy is also a star player in the world of landscaping. Its vibrant orange flowers can add a pop of color to any garden, and it's drought tolerant, making it an ideal choice for those living in dry climates. Plus, it's a self-seeding plant, meaning it'll keep your garden looking lush and vibrant year after year. What's more, the California poppy is a magnet for pollinators. Its bright color and sweet nectar attract a variety of insects, including bees and butterflies. This helps to promote biodiversity in your garden, and it's a great way to support your local ecosystem. Lastly, let's not forget the scientific research that backs up the medicinal benefits of the California poppy. Numerous studies have confirmed its sedative and analgesic properties, and ongoing research continues to uncover new potential uses for this versatile plant. It's clear that the California poppy is a flower that serves many purposes. But did you know you can grow this versatile plant in your own garden? Cultivating your own California poppy can be a gratifying journey, especially when you consider its medicinal properties. The California poppy is more than just an attractive bloom. It's also a natural sedative widely utilized for conditions like insomnia, anxiety, and nerve pain. Rich in alkaloids that possess sedative and pain-relieving properties, this plant is truly beneficial. Let's deep dive into the perfect growing circumstances for this advantageous plant. It loves bathing in full sunlight and thrives in soil that drains well. The sowing process is straightforward. Scatter seeds directly into your garden bed, ensuring the timing and depth are just right. Once your poppies have sprouted, they require minimal attention. They're drought tolerant and resistant to most pests and diseases, making them a low-maintenance addition to your garden. Moreover, they are self-sustaining when it comes to their nutrients, so you won't need to worry about extra fertilizers or compost. With the right care and attention, you can create your own golden haven, bringing a touch of California's natural splendor and health benefits right to your doorstep. Now that you know the wonders of the California poppy, why not try growing one yourself? The beauty and versatility of this golden bloom are truly unmatched, offering a myriad of uses that can enrich your life. From its enchanting aesthetic appeal, perfect for embellishing your garden, to its medicinal properties, the California poppy is a wonder plant. Remember, it can help soothe your nerves, aid in a restful sleep, and even assist in pain management. And let's not forget, it's a pollinator-friendly plant, encouraging a healthier ecosystem in your backyard. Growing it is as easy as pie. With just a little bit of care and love, you can cultivate your own golden beauty. Watch it blossom and see how it transforms your garden into a little piece of the Golden State. Embrace the charm of the Golden State, grow a California poppy, and let its beauty and versatility enrich your life.